Most people don't move because they have to. They move because life changes. Some signs are familiar and obvious and very visible, but there are those that are not always realized while we're moving through life. There are 5 signs that it may be time to downsize. Your home has more unused space than used space. Maintenance feels like a burden instead of pride of ownership. You want to be closer to your children and grandchildren, doctors, or activities. You worry about future safety, stairs, bathrooms, winter maintenance, emergency situations. And you want your move to be your choice, not someone else's decision. The best moves happen when they're planned, not rushed. Whether you're downsizing, simplifying, or planning your next chapter, let over 46 years of experience guide your move. This is Phil Landy with the Atlas Group of Real Brokers saying, I'm always here for you. Take care till then, and bye for now.